So now we are going to discuss about the estimating of product. Estimating of product means we have to estimate the given numbers to the nearest hundreds or thousands. What is the largest place is given in the question. We have to round off to the largest place and then we have to find the product. 7th Roman A. So in the question is given 285 into 5463. So round off 285 to the greatest place value is hundreds place, so 200. So 80 in tens place, so 200 will become 300. And 5463. 5000 is the greatest place value. So observe the hundreds place 4 is there. So 5000 will become 5000 only. So find the product of 300 into 5000 is equal to 3 5s are 15 and remaining here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros, total 5 zeros you have to keep here. It will become 15 lakhs is the estimated product. So estimate the coefficient. So how to estimate the coefficient? First we have to round up the given numbers to the nearest hundreds or nearest thousands which are mentioned in the questions, otherwise you have to round off to the greatest place value in the question. So 3648 divided by 929. We are going to round up these two numbers to the nearest hundreds. So nearest hundreds I am going to round off. 3648 to the nearest hundreds means 3600. Nearest hundreds I am going to round off here. So 929 also you are going to round off to the nearest hundreds means 900. We are going to find the coefficient of these two numbers 900, 3600. So how many 9s are 36? 4 9s are 36. 4 900s are 3600. 3600. So 4 will be the answer. Estimated coefficient is 4. Understood? Next one. So I am going to explain the 9th question in the exercise 1.4. Observe the 9th question, add the following numbers and round off their actual sum to the nearest hundreds. So first we have to solve that. What are the numbers are given here? 1394, 7364 and 5855. When you add these three numbers actual sum, what you get the actual sum? 14,613. We are going to round up the 14,600 to the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means in tens place 1 is there, so hundreds will become 600 as 600 only. So 14,600 is the answer. So also the estimate the sum to the nearest hundreds. Second question, in that question only, next question is also estimate the sum to the nearest hundreds. We have to estimate the given numbers to the nearest hundreds first. 1394 will become 1400. 7364 will become 7400 and 5855 will become 5900. Find the sum of those. 14,700 you will get. But you observe here nearest hundreds of actual value is 14,600. Nearest hundreds of estimated values is 14,700. Here again another question is given. Is it correct to say that estimating the sum is same as rounded of the actual value? We observe that estimating the sum is close to the rounded value of the actual sum but not equal. We observed that line. Understood? I am going to explain the 11th question. Observe the question. In 2001, Delhi had 41,899 child labor between the age group of 5 and 14 years. And in 2011, it was reduced to 26,473. And estimate the difference in the number of child labor in the given 2 years. First we have to round off the two numbers to the nearest 10,000s, then you have to find the difference. First, child labor in Delhi in 2001, 41,899. When you are going to round off this number to the nearest 10,000 means 40,000 it will become. And number of child labor reduced in 2011 is 26,473. You have to round off to nearest 10,000, it will become 30,000. So, what is the difference between 40,000 and 30,000? 10,000. Child labor in Delhi in 2011 is 10,000. Okay. Next, I am going to explain the 13th one. So, observe the 13th question. In India's population is 1,350,000,000 and the population of trees in India is 35 billions. Estimate the number of trees per person in India. So, population of India we have to write first. Population of India 1,350,000,000. Population of trees in India is equal to 35 billions. 35 billions. So, number of trees per person is equal to means we have to divide. Division means 35 billions divided by 1,350,000,000 is equal to, cancel the zeros, and 3,500 divided by 135 you will get, and when you do the division nearly 25 point you will get, and 25 trees per person are there. Now I am going to explain the 15th one. Here in the question, Sachin Tendulkar has the record of the highest number of runs 15,921 in 329 innings in test matches. Estimate the number of runs scored per innings by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Here we have to find how many runs he got in one innings. We have to find. So, we have to do the division. First we have to round up the given numbers and then you have to do the division. It is easy for you. Number of runs scored by Sachin in 329 innings is equal to 15,921. 15,921. We have to round off this number to nearest hundreds means 15,900 you will get. And 329 innings we have to round off to hundreds means 300 innings you will get. So, number of runs scored by Sachin in each innings is equal to 15,900 divided by 300. It will become 53 runs he got in each innings. Understood? In the next video we will discuss about the how to use the brackets. Understood? Okay, thank you.